Hi, good day. I am Ainun Sirikit Mapandi, 31 years of age, no kids, and single. My religion is Christian. I am a college level with two different courses. My first course is Bachelor of Science Information Technology, and the second is Bachelor of Science of Education Generalist. I work as a nanny here in Philippines for 9 years with three different employers. My first employer is I work on a five members family, four adults and one children 3 years old. And they have also a cat. I took care of the child and the cat. I do all the household chores like cleaning, cooking, ironing, and car wash. My second employer, I took care. I work as a caregiver, an elderly, 65 years old. She was a bedridden. I do all the caregiving needs. And my third employer, I work as a cooker in a mini carinderia restaurant here in Philippines. Mom and sir, please hire me. I will do my best to finish my contract and extend it if you still need me. Thank you and God bless.